What's up, everybody? If you're watching this video, it's because you have the Sig P938 and you're trying to figure out how to disassemble it or how to reassemble it. So, as always, first you want to make sure the firearm is clear. And it is. Alright, it's pretty standard, just like any 1911. You're going to go ahead and pull the slide back till the slide release goes right there into that little groove. And then there's a pin on the opposite side right there that you're going to have to press out. And because this is such a small gun, everything is super tight and it can be a pain. But once you get that out, there it is. Now this guide rod and this spring is tight, so if you do try to take it out, just be aware. I use this little tool here. You do not want this thing shooting across the house. Now you can remove the barrel. And to reassemble it, go ahead and install the barrel. That groove you want to be down against the barrel, like so. Go ahead and cock this and slide it on. This little catch right here, you want to press it down like that. And then go ahead and put your pin back in. And there you have it. Thanks for checking out the video.
With